Good morning, dear students. I am Professor Indu Shrivastava, Assistant Professor of Department of CSE, SIRT Excellence. Today, I am going to study in the continuation of your subject, that is project management. Today, we will going to discuss about the automation of the process, right? So let's start. Before we start today's lecture, I would like to tell you what is automation and why we are using automation in this project management, right? So automation can be defined as the process of using machine and technology to complete tasks and process with little or more human assistance. So that project management software automation refer to software that can complete basic project management tasks and function without your intervention, right? So that's why we are using automation. And next one is when to use automation in our project management software. So the range of automation capability within your project management software can vary very greatly. And some tools use automation to help the monitor key aspect of the project and alert you to potential issues such as a change in a critical path, a missed deadline, and overloaded resources, project delay. So the question become, what level of automation should you look for and which project task should be automated, right? So this question will arise when we are discussing about these things. And also automation should be logged as a magnifier and it complete performed process for you. So if the process is not already smooth, then automation automating it can make thing much worse, right? So if you don't have a consistent replaceable process for the smoothing out resources loading, you cannot on the task to project management software, and it could end up assisting a task to people not qualified to complete them, the breaking dependencies, moving out your timeline, or a host of the problem. So if you are considering the upcoming automation into your project management process, ask yourself two following questions. Consequently, which questions? What are the are most manual time consuming administrative tasks, and which of our process are well documented or mapped? So these questions will arise when you discuss, when you study about these things. So also we can study in the few common way to use the automation in a project management software. These are the few common ways. The first one is the work intake process flow. Next one, the creation of new project and task, sending task reminder and notifications, and the review and approval process, and identifying the bottleneck. Huh. After that, we discuss about the benefit of the automation in the project management software. What are the here we discuss about the 5 benefit of the project of the automation in the project management. First one is increased productivity. Increased productivity, that means the automation can help you increase your team productivity and get more done in a less time without having any acquire more resources for assistance. Using templates and automation can help you launch a new project and more tasks quickly. And also you can say that the automation enables you to pre-populated templates with standard information, saving time and reducing the likelihood of error and missing data. And so also you can say that the automation can also help your organization scales. The magic of automation is that when the implemented correctly, it can increase a team output and quality explanatory, right? So plus point is that the automation increase the productivity of work, making it easier to scale with a less risk and few viewable. So that's why we when we are using the automation in the project management, so we can help the increase productivity. After that, we discuss about the reduce busy work. That means the automated project management software can tackle administrative tasks and busy work such as sending out the project report, reminder people for upcoming deadline, and checking on task status, and so on. Then automation can take care of notification updates and routine reports, so that you can longer have to expend the hour doing administrative work by allowing your system to take care of these mentional tasks, and you are freeder up to focused on the important aspect of your project management. And also you can say that the automation present an incredible opportunity for your entire project team of offload the low value production work that occupied in significant potential of their time, and focus on works so that is more strategic and conjunctively emerging, and drive the higher right to information, and you can say that the ROI, right to information. And next one, we discuss about the supports integration. Support integration, that means how many tools, systems, and application do you use in our day-to-day work, and the adoption of software as a service tools has exploded into the last decade, last time. And while these tools have made companies more efficient, and the sheer volume of tools can be overlapping and negatively impact employee productivity. So if the tools and application and system you rely on don't effectively common with each other, they can uh, slow your down, and create a information slice. So in this environment, it become the difficult and time occurring to pull out the considerable all the relevant data and complete and occur overall the picture of the project. So without integration can and automation, you and your team members are focused to spend more time searching for, and for more time searching for the aggregation information than actually working, right? So automation help integrate to multiple tools and systems, so that they can share the information automatically, reflect the updates, and enable you to view and may manage one single resources of truth. So that's why we are using, yeah, that's why automation support the integration. Next one is the streamline communication. A streamline communication, that means this is the one area where project often run into a bottleneck, and the delay in the review and approval process. Communication get lost, multiplied. Stockholder doesn't realize the project is waiting on their approval, and the various versions of deliverable are attached to a multiple email threads. So some project managers use the automation to optimize the process, so that all the approvals are modified when they need to review something, when the feedback is given to the original assigned received it all in one place, and organize the chronically basis, and feedback and approvals are clear and time stamped, and they are much less wasted of all round. So streamline communication is also useful. And we can say that the executive can also use the automation to make more accurate forecast and long term strategic decision. After all, if they are getting consistent automatic update for the reliable resource, so they have the better understanding of the company's overall status of and the options. So that's why streamline communication is uh, this is the one of benefit when we are using the automation in our project management software. And last one is maintaining the quality. Maintaining the quality, that means the automation maintains the quality by ensuring work is done consistently. When we are high volume of work and everything must be done manually, mistakes are invertible. By reducing human interfaces and interaction, and automation ensure that ball is never dropped and the quality maintained consistent. So when we are using automation tools like templates, so you can simply clone your project and task instead of the sharing of so much information. And templized process save the high performance team a ton of time, and freeing the resources for the more complex or custom project, right? So that's why maintain quality is also the benefits, to provide the benefits when we are using the automation of the project. So automation is very useful in the project management software, because with this help of automation we can reduce our teamwork, we can reduce our main power, we can cover, we can do the more productivity, and we complete our task on time without any interruption, and with zero error. So today we study about these things. Thank you.